Here is DriveGasm's list of 5 important things that you must have in your car, no matter how good a motorist you are and how well you keep your car. Things can go evil anytime on the road, as it's always better to be prepared than suffer. We have composed a list of things that will definitely assist you if by any chance you end up in any bad situation mentioned here. So, consider watching the video till the end. At number 5, the canister. Car running out of fuel on the way is a very common problem that people encounter. The cause can be a leak in the fuel line or just negligence, well, whatever the reason may be. Possessing a canister in such a situation is really a very helpful tool to have, since having even an empty one can make a lot of difference, considering the fact that it is always comfortable to walk down to the nearest fuel station with the canister than to push your car around. At number 4, the jumper cable. Do you know that the jumper cables are regarded as the good old mate of dead battery? Believe it or not, but every parking lot, whether of a mall or a shopping center or an office, they all have witnessed the cases where people get stuck due to a dead battery in a car, or at least once in their lifetime. These events are far more frequent than you might expect, and since we don't want you to be stranded in such a situation, we advise you to always keep a pair of solid jump leads in your car. At number 3, the flashlight. The flashlights are small, humble, lightweight, dependable and trustworthy tools. These small source of light will come apt in the event of bad circumstance in dark, for instance say, having a flat tire in the night. So, take our suggestion and always keep a flashlight in your car, since nobody likes to get stuck in a dark and bad situation. And having a flashlight will at least help you to calm down your senses so that you don't freak yourself out to death. At number 2, an emergency charger. An emergency charger looks quite similar to an ordinary mobile phone charger for cars, but it is a very different thing. Unlike any conventional charger, it also possesses these following elements. You can conveniently store it anywhere in your car as it is quite compact. Now, in everyday situations, it can be used as a regular mobile phone charger. But under an emergency, it can be used as a seat belt cutter, or a window and windshield breaker, as well as a flashlight. Hence, on a serious note, we request you to always have a good emergency tool like this in your car, as you never know when this tiny safety tool can end up saving your precious life. At number 1, the portable tire inflator. One of the most common scenarios that many people encounter daily is a flat tire. Tire puncture can happen anytime on the road, and fixing them is a real pain in the ass. We know that the portable tire inflator is not a solution for the tire punctures, but owning one will allow you the ability to reinflate the flat tire, which will provide you enough provision that you can take your car to a puncture shop without causing any damage the tire, where you can get the flat tire repair. Therefore, our humble request to you is to get a good one and keep it in your car all the time, as you never know when it will come helpful to you. Another good thing is that tire inflators are available in a variety of options to choose from. So, there you go. These are the 5 important tools that will definitely help you when you end up in such a bad situation. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and found this video helpful. You can bless us by leaving a like to the video. Leave your comments down in the comment section to let us know your thoughts on the video, and we request you to put some advice there that will help us improve our future content. Additionally, you can let us know the topic for what you want a future video on. Don't forget to subscribe to the DriveGasm for more content, and share it with your friends and family, as your helpful support is very much needed as it motivates us.